Sabi po nung lead counsel po ni former President Rodrigo Duterte na si Attorney Kaufman, and I quote, "The real prosecutor in this case is actually in Manila. Sitting in his palace, he's the person who threw President Duterte over here to The Hague." Any comment po from the from the palace?
Is that you, Attorney Harry Roque, talking? We thought it was Attorney Harry Roque making such comment. Well, anyway, it is very apparent and very obvious that Attorney Kaufman is being surrounded by fake news peddlers. He doesn't know the timeline. He doesn't know the facts of the case. He should be concentrating on his job as a counsel, not in engaging in rumor mongering. Thank you.